If your Stripe account is restricted, you may not be able to accept payments, send payouts, or access certain features. Yeah, this usually happens because of verification issues, policy violations, or suspicious activity. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe account restrictions step by step. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and check the alert. Stripe usually explains why the account was restricted, like missing documents, unusual activity, or policy violations. Next, make sure your account information is complete and accurate. Check your business details, personal info, and bank account settings. If Stripe requested documents, upload them. This could include ID, business registration, or proof of address. Make sure the files are clear and valid. Check for any policy or compliance issues. Remove restricted products, fix website content, or update terms to meet Stripe's requirements. If your account is still restricted after completing the steps, contact Stripe support. They can review your case and lift the restriction once everything is verified. After submitting everything, keep an eye on your dashboard for updates. Stripe will notify you once the restriction is removed. And that's it. Following these steps usually resolves Stripe account restrictions so you can get back to accepting payments. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.